In this video, I'll show you how you can fix FPS drops in League of Legends. Now, what you want to do first is you want to come down here and search for Task Manager. In here, go to Details, find your League of Legends, just press L, close down the League client, and then we want to close down our Riot client. Then what you can do is simply open up your Riot client this time, not League of Legends. And while it's waiting, what we can do is open up our Task Manager once again, head over to Processes. And when you're playing League of Legends, what you want to do is you want to make sure that everything that's using way too much memory, CPU, or any of these is closed down. So in this case, you can see my CapCut is using way too much memory. My Google Chrome is using so much as well. And you can click on these to sort by them. So I would close all of these down, maybe even Spotify, Microsoft Edge, OBS Studio. I could click here and you can see my OBS Studio as well. So just close down everything that uses way too much. The other thing you want to do is head over to Startup right here and make sure you disable everything in here that you don't need. So in this case, it would be like Xbox, Skype, whatever, just the things that you don't really need. Now, once you've done that and you have your Riot client here, what you want to do is come up here, go to Settings, find League of Legends, press Repair. Now, once you've repaired it, what you want to do is come down here and search for Firewall. Open up the Windows Defender Firewall. Come in here, allow an app or feature, change settings, look for your Riot client, and make sure both of these are ticked. Now, once you've done that, it should hopefully be much better. You can try and restart your PC. And as the last thing, what you should check for is that you don't have any like weird softwares running in the background. You could have GeForce Experience or any sort of game enhancers, like anything that's supposed to boost your FPS or something like Razer. Those kind of things can also cause FPS issues, even though they're made to boost your FPS. So try and close them down and see if it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.